Alright, what's up traders? It's Mark here at DynoTrading and welcome to yet another incredible trend day. Alright guys and gals, I'm telling you man, this week has been something else. Today is Friday, June 9th. You can see here it's a little bit after 1 p.m. in the afternoon. First things first, happy Friday guys and gals. What an incredible week, especially if you're new or you onboarded the software in the last couple of days or weeks. Then I really hope you've been finding tremendous value with this trend trading software and all of our proprietary strategies and techniques, okay? First things first, guys, I gotta say, there is no better feeling than being done with your trading by lunchtime. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is 1 p.m. in the afternoon, and not only am I done with my trading, but I'm done with my workday, right? How many other people do you know that can say that? Right? Just stopping their workday at 1 p.m. and going out to the beach right now, or going out and getting some drinks. We are finished with our workday, guys and gals. This is the reason why we are so fortunate and so blessed to be day traders, okay? Because yes, the money's nice and everything, and the ability to spot these patterns and take these trades are relatively straightforward. However, I value my financial freedom. You understand? Because financial freedom is not something that everybody in America is ever going to attain. In fact, I feel that the majority of people out there are forever going to be working 9 to 5, like for the rest of their lives. And that is also why I spend so much of my time, energy, efforts, and resources helping my clients, helping my customers become better traders so that you can also take back your time. Remember guys, there is nothing more valuable than your time, and in my humble opinion, I think the beauty about becoming a professional day trader is the ability to make a very good income while only working just a couple of hours a day. Alright, so let's get into it guys and gals. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and of course if you're a long-term customer and or subscriber, then I already know you had a fantastic Friday. Right? And our secret sauce, our proprietary professional strategy with respect to trading the market is this green and red volume color band that continues to deliver every single day. I mean, man, I'm telling you, this week was something else. Just check all the videos from this week, man. Every single day was a trend day. I don't care what anybody else says. All right? The market is always going to trend. Even on a slow day, there's going to be a small trend, right? Anyway, this green and red color band is our proprietary volume-based indicator profile. It tells you what direction the market is potentially moving. When it's green, it tells you that the market might be moving up. When it turns red, it tells you that the market might be going down. And how I teach my clients on how to use this proprietary software is by following retracements, or what many of you guys call pullbacks, all right? And this pullback pattern is by far one of the easiest chart patterns to identify and spot on your charts almost every single day, all right? Case in point, here was one right here. This one showed up bright and early in the morning around 6 o'clock. All right, the market actually turned green over here. We then want to see some upward momentum. We then want to see the market come underneath the color band and give us a retracement. So there were actually two bullish retracements. Here was the first one, and here was the second one. Right? Easy peasy. What's complicated about this, right? Now, if this was too early for you, okay, we then wait for the volume indicator band to turn red, right? Then what do we do? Well, then we want to see some downward momentum, and we also want to see that pullback, right? Isn't it remarkable how often these retracements patterns show up every day? And isn't it amazing how easy this particular strategy is, right? I can't think of any other trading strategy that makes your charts look like this. So yeah, whenever we see this pattern show up, we'd look to go short the market on the open of the next red bar. Our stop loss would get placed 1 or 2 ticks or pips above that signal bar's high, and we just want to see the market plunge, and our stop loss never got touched. You understand what I'm saying? And you want to know the best part about this, folks? Look at this. This trade took place at about 10:25, and not even 1 hour later, the trade was done, right? There's your 600 ticks. in just 1 hour. So when you heard me say just a couple of minutes ago that traders typically only spend a couple of hours trading every day, then you know I was not joking. I mean, that's the real truth. In fact, I almost think that spending more than like 3 hours a day might actually be detrimental to your trading. And that's why I try to limit my trading to just the morning session. I know you guys have heard me say this repeatedly, and I hope that all of you guys crushed it today on this beautiful volume trend trading indicator. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.